So these services are being offered na rin by other consulting firms. But why Acumen? Like ano yung specialty natin compared to other firms?
Okay. So usually, or a lot of organizations that we work with, we
Mhm.
see two gaps, no? Either they have a strategy gap, meaning they are unclear on where to focus, how to
Mm.
differentiate. Usually, the people kasi in the company, they're very focused on the day-to-day operations. Rightly so, because the business has to keep running. So they don't have enough capacity to look at the longer term or to step back and look at the bigger picture, which is what strategy is all about. So we come in to help them understand where to focus, how to
Mhm.
differentiate. So that's one gap where we can actually help on. The other one is the execution gap, no, which is that they already have a strategy, but for some reason the impact is weak, and so we try to understand first, validate the strategy. Tama ba? If they're
Mhm.
focusing on the right drivers, and then we also align the organization behind that strategy, because a lot of times we see clients, the strategy is good in paper, but the rest of the organization does not really kind of fully understand what it means, and more importantly, what do they need to do. So when we develop strategies, we work with the clients very closely to make sure that one, they buy in to the strategy. It makes sense to them. Number two, we work with them so that we also understand what are the gaps to execute, so that part of our recommendation, part of our the priorities, no, is also to fix certain things to make sure that the strategy can be, or the plans can be executed well. So those are the two gaps that we normally see, either a strategy gap or an execution gap. So we support to make sure that whatever we recommend can really be implemented.